What's up everyone? Welcome to Train 5. In this video we're doing a dynamic cardio workout.
This workout is textbook out of what I described in my next 5-week video in setting the bar. This is the cardio workout that'll be getting me ready for the Boulder 10K that I'll be taking in about 6-7 weeks here. Today, Roger and I will be doing it. You get to watch. Alright, so we just finished the sprints. Now what we did on the sprints after our dynamic warm-up was 3 sprints, down and back on a turf field, roughly going to about 20 seconds of all-out sprinting. Now, the halfway point is like a suicide, so you slow down, you touch the line, and you go off again, okay? Those are the 3 sprints. We both just finished them. Now we got the mile run. Boom! Alright, we just finished the 1 mile run, okay? Both of us did it, and both of us kicked ass on it. We also did our warm downs at the 2/10 of a mile. Next thing we're going to be going into is the hit portion. We're just going to be doing Bosu ball, agility, whatever the fuck they are, adductors, I don't know. Forgive me for not knowing my nomenclature, but basically 20 of those, followed immediately by 5 squat jumps with the 20-pound bags or whatever weight we choose. And then right after that, we're gonna drop the bag on the ground like a badass, and we're gonna run a lap of the track as fast as we can. This is gonna be fucking brutal. 1 lap, you wanna die. 2nd lap, you're like, just end it now, please. And the 3rd lap, you feel like a fucking boss. Let's get into it.
Look at this fucking rebel.
Go! This is meant for the boys right here. Let's go.
Go, left. You don't realize how fucking brutal this is.
That's a fucking set.
That was fucking good. That was some work.